Game crashing or won't launch on Steam? Here is a quick fix for this problem. Launch Steam. Right-click the game that gives you trouble and select Properties. On the left side menu, click on Installed Files. Click on this option, Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam checks for broken or missing files and fixes them automatically. You just need to be patient and let Steam finish this without interrupts. Scan time depends on game size. After it finishes with the scan, launch the game and see did it worked. It's your go-to fix before reinstalling anything. If this helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time, stay safe, happy gaming, and I'll see you all